Welcome. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the settings section in Travel Boost. This one is a central place where administrators configure the agency information, personalize the platform, manage workflows, connect third-party applications, and control system security. So from your agency profile and branding billing, integrations, notifications, user security, everything is managed from one central location. So properly configuring your settings ensures Travel Boost work according to your business needs and provides a consistent experience for both of your team and your customers or client. So when you open the settings section here, you'll see several configuration tab, each designed to manage a different parts of your business. So we have here my profile, agency profile, pipeline, lead sources, invoice billing, loyalty, notification, APN integrations, security, hatch, modules, demo data, and usage plan. Okay. So my profile section allows every users to manage their personal account. Here you can update, of course, your personal information. Of course, you can change password as well, modify your profile preferences, and keep your account details up to date. Okay. Next one we have here the agency profile. So this one is where you configure your company business information. So of course, agency name, and this information is used throughout the platform and may also appear on customer facing documents such as invoices and quotations. Here, you can update the agency name, of course, the website, email, phone, address, city, country. Of course, there's also regional settings. Okay, you'll find these settings ensure reports, invoices, bookings, and financial transaction used, and you can use the correct regional preferences. Okay. So the agency profile also allows you to customize branding. You can upload your company logo, maintain accurate business information, and ensure consistent branding across your entire Travel Boost account. So this one helps you to present a professional image to both of your staff and your client. Okay, so now that your agency profile is configured, let's customize how your business operates inside the Travel Boost. Okay, so we'll configure your business workflow and sales settings. So we have here the pipeline section. This allows you to customize your sales workflow. So here you can create, edit, reorder the different stages your leads go through from initial inquiry to confirm booking. Okay. This one is a well organized pipeline that will help your team track every opportunity and maintain a consistent sales process. Okay, you can also categorize them by color. Here you can change the color. Okay, you can also multi pipeline editor available here. You need to open this like that, and you will have this pipeline, and you can add new pipeline in here. Of course, you need to have the name and also the template and click create once you are done. Okay, next one we have here the lead sources. This section lets you organize where customers or client come from. So this includes the WordPress, MetaLead Ads, TikTok, Zapier, N8N, generic webhook, website form, make.com. And you can also see here the incoming captures. You need to click view captures and you'll see here. And of course, let's go back to leads and then settings as well. We have here the lead sources. You can also open lead sources and you can add source here. Okay, so Tracking lead sources will help you understand which marketing channels generate the best result. Okay. The next one we have here the invoice and billing section. This one allows you to configure your invoicing preferences. Here you can customize invoice settings. Okay, here configure invoice set number format, default tax rate, default invoice terms as well. Of course, you can have bank details and save invoice settings. Okay, you can have here the billing information as I said, and also payment related configures to match your business requirements. Okay, next thing we have here the loyalty section, which allows you to create customer reward programs like um this one offering loyalty rewards encourages repeat bookings, which is really great, strengthens customer relationship and increases long-term customer retention. Okay, in here you can set minimum revenue, you can change this, something like that. Okay, and also there's a tier ladder here, and once you configure this, you change this minimum revenue, you should click save loyalty threshold. Okay, so next thing we have here the notification. So this one lets you control how Travel Boost communicates with you. So you can choose which alerts, reminders, and system notifications you want to receive, ensuring your team stay informed without unnecessary interruptions. Okay, you can also have follow-up reminder, daily digest time as well, and once you are done, you should click save notification to be saved. Okay, so with your workflows and business preferences configured, your agency is now better organized and ready for a daily operation. Sounds great, right? So now let's configure the system integrations and security settings. Here we have the API integration section. This one allows Travel Boost to connect with third-party business applications. You can integrate such as CRM platforms, marketing tools, payment gateways, communication platform, and other business applications. Here, of course, you need to a platform API and then click generate. AI provider as well. Okay, cloud, OpenAI, Mr. AI. Of course, you can. We have also here the test AI connection. Of course, webhooks, WhatsApps. You can have the API key of your WhatsApp, SMTP, of course, and you can test that as well. Of course, once you are done configuring all of these, you should save API settings. So these integrations reduce manual work and allow your system to work together automatically. Okay, next thing we have here this security. Okay, security section helps you protect your account and your organization's data. So administrators can change account protection, user access permission, of course, the authentication, security settings. Of course, you have the here, of course, minimum length is 8, password expiry here. So these proper security configurations helps protect sensitive customer information while ensuring only authorized users have access to the system. Okay, so next thing we have here the by the way, if your agency offer Hajj or Umrah services, the Hajj settings allow you to configure the privilege of specific operational preferences that support your travel workflow. Rather, this includes, of course, the default installment count. Okay, auto create document we have here. Of course, the cancellation policy, which is really need of course a required document for it, and once you are done configuring that, you can save Hajj settings. Okay, the next thing we have here the modules. This one allows administrators to enable or disable the specific features within the Travel Boost. This lets your agency activate only the tools you need, keeping the platform organized and easier to manage. Okay, you have here Like this one, you will toggle that on off. Same to this one. And if you want to enable all, you just click this one and then you need to click save. Okay. The next thing we have here, the demo data. So this one allows you to manage sample records used for demonstration or settings. Okay. This is especially useful when training new employees or exploring system features without affecting your live business data. You can generate demo data. You can clear demo data as well. Okay. So, top supplier leads, proposal invoices, payments, and hatch group. Okay. The last one we have here, the usage and plan. So current plan is free, of course. There is resource usage, team members, leads, of course, module usage. Here it'll appear here. Okay, you can also change plan if you want. So these are the plans of Travel Boost. So we have here growth plan, pro plan, and a starter plan. And by the way, the most popular here is the pro plan. Okay, can also hide plans. And then with your integrations and security configured, your Travel Boost platform is now secure, it is connected, and ready to support your daily business operations. Okay, so of course, rather than configuring each other features separately, the settings section here in Travel Boost, okay, um, will centralize every important system preferences into one easy to manage location. Okay. Hang on. So this also saves times, of course, and ensures consistency across your entire organizations. Okay, like having everything managed from one location simplifies administration and improves operational efficiency. Okay, so with proper configuring, these settings ensures your agency run efficiently, securely, and is fully optimized to support your business growth. Okay. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next tutorial and walkthrough.